Hey guys, shalom shalom. Welcome to this amazing and beautiful inside the Tower of David. Guys, this is the ancient Jerusalem. So you can enjoy the beauty here in the Tower of David. Wow, it's really beautiful. What an amazing place. What an amazing place, guys. Put in your bucket list and come and visit this beautiful Tower of David here in the Jaffa Gate. Guys, that's the ancient arts here. Wonderful. Wonderful. What an amazing Jerusalem. Amazing. So enjoy, guys. Enjoy. And don't forget also to like, share, and follow our page. Visit Israel from your home so that many more people can see this amazing, wonderful, and extraordinary place.
Cannonballs were used by the enemy.
Wonderful. Thank you. And God bless you all. Enjoy.